Hi, I'm Terry and I'm nuts about stamping. I'm back today with another Sundays with Sizzix project. I'm going to show you how to create a really nice friendship card idea that's super quick and easy to create with the help of my Big Shot, and one of the products I'm going to use on the card is the Memories and More Petal Passion card pack. Let me show you where this is in the catalog. Here it is down here, and it's featured really to be part of a suite of products that are used for memory keeping or scrapbooking, but I want to show you how you can use them on cards as well. So first let's have a look at the pack. It comes with an assortment of cards. You've got really small 3x4s. You've got some 6x4s, and each one is double-sided, and you get 2 of each design. So that's great. If you love the design on one side and the other side, you have 2 opportunities to use them. And then it has a few additional embellishments. There's some stickers, and there are some acetate overlay sheets. And then there was something else. I think it's sort of hidden in here. There was another kind of overlay. Anyway, you can have a look when you purchase this pack yourself. So what I have done is I have chosen 2 of the smaller cards in the pack. I chose this design, and I chose this word, the happy. And what I did was I trimmed the happy. I took about maybe 1/4 of an inch off of each side, so that I could layer the happy onto the other one. So it would be like a foreground layer and a background layer. So I'm going to adhere this first. Like so, and then it's ready to put onto my card front. The next thing I want to do is use my Big Shot and this new embossing folder. It's on page 13 of the Occasions catalog, and you can download this catalog from my blog. Just hop on over there and there'll be a link for you to download it. It's called the Scattered Sequins Dynamic Textured Impressions Embossing Folder. And what makes it dynamic in nature is the thickness of the folder. It's super thick, which means that you use a different sandwich for your Big Shot. So normally you would use your Big Shot platform and 2 of these cutting pads, but for the dynamic folder you're only going to use 1 cutting pad. So I have a piece of basic black cardstock, and I'm going to stick it inside the embossing folder. Get it nice and even inside. And then what I'm going to do is use the Big Shot platform, then I'm going to lay the embossing folder on, and the fold or the crease is going to go through the Big Shot first. I'm going to lay on the only cutting pad that you're going to use, and then I'm going to run it through the Big Shot. Let me show you what this looks like. It is amazing. I hope you can see it. They're little like hexagonal, or maybe, yeah, I think, or maybe they're 6-sided bubbles. They're really cool. And then that's what it looks like on the back side, but I'm going to use the front side. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach my layer that I've already created. I'm going to run this across the front of my basic black layer, like so. So you can see some of the kind of like the bubbles, and then more of them down below. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to adhere this layer to the front of my card. And I've just run out of snail. There's another one. Of course, this only happens when I'm doing a video. Okay, and so let's layer this on top like so. So it's taking shape. Then the last thing I want to use, and I've got that bookmarked here, are some of these glitter and clear epoxy shapes. You get 176 teardrop and circle shapes. So what I've done is I've taken the circle shapes because I want them to match the embossing folder, and I'm going to pick up and attach 3 of these to the front of my card. And I'm just going to do them in sort of a random order. So I'm going to use 2 big and 1 medium shape. If I can pick up one. There we go, like so. So I've got 1 here and I've got 2 down here, and that completes my card. Very quick and easy to create. I could make a bunch of different cards following the same layout and tuck them away for when I need them. Now, if I wanted to add one more embellishment, I could add a layer of this silver 1/8 inch ribbon at the top, just to add one more final detail. So if you were a real ribbon person, that might be a consideration for you. But as it is, it's a beautiful card and it's now ready to mail to somebody special. For a complete listing of the supplies that I used and the measurement for the layers, please head over to my blog, www.nutsaboutsstamping.com. While you're on my blog, check out lots of other card ideas. I try and post something every day that will give you some inspiration for your stamping. And you may also want to subscribe to my free newsletters. I send a newsletter every week with a project idea you won't see anywhere else. I'm Terry. I am Nuts About Stamping. I'll see you soon with another Sizzix project idea. Bye.